What up though? BlaKCrypto and this anti-broke crypto where the key to financial freedom is getting more crypto. Speaking of more crypto, you need to go to moretokens.com and get you some more tokens so you have a chance to get more tokens. And speaking of more, right now we at $1.51 and it's having a nice bounce off that support right here inside of this triangle and looking to make another move. On my last video, we were on this candle here and we did cross that yellow line that I had, that battleground, and went above, crashed below. We held that support and having a green candle right now, so we'll see if it does. You see it's tapping on top of that buy support area, the $1.40 down to about 82 cents. So just in case it drops in that area, I think that's a demand zone where a lot of people want to pick up some more, no pun intended. So yeah, we're gonna keep on, and yeah, keep on keeping on. This first track, BlaKCrypto. Make sure you go to BlaKCrypto, anti-broke crypto Telegram, and check him out. And yeah, here we go.
Go. When it's on and it's on, just gotta keep strong, keep on keeping on. I just hope they keep on bumping these songs when I'm gone. Till then I'ma just keep on keeping on, keep on keeping on. Black, you know about me, know this beat gon' be about it. It's almost my B-day, I hope they throw me a party. Boy, you almost 40, you know you don't need no party. Nowadays it feel like we don't never see nobody. Kinda locked in stone, I feel like I don't need nobody. Already found my shawty, everybody needs somebody. Got babies of my own, so I ain't tryna feed nobody. And I forgot alone, so I ain't tryna please nobody. You know one thing about it, I be always reading about it. You wanna grow, you gotta go do more than dream about it. Hit that milk with that whip till I got cream about it. No niggas gon' jump ship, keep a tight-knit team around you. Keep tight lips, they sink ships, know you gotta move in silence. Keep a big stick, don't say shit, you ain't gotta use your violence. If it's conflict, then it's reflex, you ain't gotta think about it. Shit, now that I think about it, let's get back to the point. When it's on, then it's on. Gotta keep strong and just keep on keeping on.
Yeah, that's that Black, man. I'm gonna keep on keeping on. New music coming out soon, hopefully, God willing. Right now, this BTC Bitcoin, I got it right now on Deck Screener, but this chart don't have a lot of the history, so I don't really like to look at it as far as making forecasts. But we can just see the most recent activity still in a downtrend. Look like we're coming out of it, but again, we don't have all of the history. How long has this trend been in effect? And we haven't broken clear of it yet. Still haven't had the retest, and I like to see us break out clearer than that. So we'll see if it can go sideways. That's not bad at all. If I look at this, give me a little rectangle right here. This is yeah, I don't like that. If it can stay sideways, that would be great. But yeah, it's like a tornado if you think of it as a vortex. It looks like it's about to get sucked back into this tornado, and we'll see. Low end of this is down right around 10.5, so yeah, it's possible. 11K and pray, as they say. And I like to look at Bitcoin on this long-term chart here too. This shows all the history on a trading view, and yeah, like I said, that's a lot of history behind that's not showing. Some overhead resistance that we need to deal with before we can say it's time for the moon mission. So we'll wait, we'll see. And looking at ETH, let's get out of this right here. Ethereum, kind of the same story. It's kind of a more positive. You see it's got a green candle already. I just think long term, when people coming new to crypto, Ethereum is a little more attractive. Having a bounce, but this looks like one of those monsters. I like to say I don't like to see those monsters on a chart because they usually come in threes. And yeah, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Yeah, but these head and shoulders formations, you see we got another one over here, but they usually lead to downward action afterwards. So probably the last leg of a head and shoulders move. And yeah, something bouncing around down there with Ethereum. And we looked at Hex earlier. We didn't hold that 4 cent, that 4.1 cent or 4.2. I was hoping for, but we're gonna have to wait and see, man. Minus 10 on the day. Came down to the 3.8. And yeah, you can just see we didn't break out, so we came back into this triangle. And this is the most recent pump, but we never even got out of there. So yeah, we could hold this 3.5, 3.4. The low end is 2.7. So you know, we gonna wait and see, man. But DCA is always the way, man. Just get you a couple dollars, and just be ready for when that moon mission comes. You got your bags packed already. And Maxi is another one. I think it's undervalued a bit. You want to see it about 2 to 1 a hex, and so if it's the correct value will be closer to about 8 cents. So right now, I think it's really undervalued, and this is an extreme long-term play. You can sell it, but those rewards you get at the end to redeem. Man, I wouldn't sleep on Maxi. Not looking bad, actually. You know what I'm saying? If we look at this, it's on a nice, maybe get some Maxi, not financial advice. And then when I come back, we're going to bump some Hedron and see what's up with that one. You know what I'm saying? But it's layers to this shit, man. Layers like lasagna or like an onion. It's your boy BlaKC with the lasagna flow. There you go.
Looks like you lost another one.
Still trying to find a new grind that'll lift my bags up. Trying to take my time, I need some before my time's up. They can shut it down if they want, you need a reminder. Use your 2020, that year still right behind us. Still get a frog in my throat when the law's behind us. Should be reason enough to stop rolling a ganja. Really wish I could, but it's too good for my insomnia. Complicated God, got them layers like an onion. Complicated, got a lot of layers like lasagna. Let them taste the sauce, they wanna come and take it from you. That's why when they ask me what I'm on, I tell them none, yeah. I'm from a place that's way harder than Tanya, so I had to switch it like a blade, no sun, yeah. Show the world a flow cold and sicker than pneumonia. Anytime they see a green grow, they wanna clone ya. Lone Star nigga, no wonder I've been a loner. In my own world, I be feeling like a foreigner. Met a millionaire and told him, man, we need some more of us. Tried to tell.
Say, they kept ignoring us. Now we touching road cross country just like a tour bus. Say, this Hedron. If you ain't got your no Hedron, you might want to go get some. So bullish on this whole ecosystem. Looking at Hedron, having a nice long correction. It pushed up all the way to the bunch of zeros and a 4. And let's hide this for a second because I do want to show you. This is the weekly chart. And yeah, for the last 2 weeks, it has been some corrections, but if we auto, you see it's under that moving average. I don't like that. I really like to see it on top coming down to the moving average. So below means it's probably going lower, and you're probably going to test this lower support here. And let me show you, bring it up. No, and that's right here on this trend line here. So could be coming back to test this trend line. That lines up at about the 3.0 mark, maybe a little lower, closer to 2.6, 2.7. If it can go that low, it's another resistance right here. So I don't think it'll pass that. So right around the bunch of zeros in a 3, it's kind of like the threshold to before it goes back on this parabolic run. I think this is a parabolic run moving towards this 4 zeros. I think it's set to drop a 0 with the 1. So that's gains. How many gains is that? Let's see what kind of percentage gain that is. That's a 5x actually from where we at right now. And yeah, that date is December the 5th. And not to say that's where it's going to be, but I think it's going to be the threshold to where it's going to start moving in that direction. And yeah, who knows? Maybe it'll already be there. Hopefully I'm wrong and we can get there sooner than later. But yeah, man, December 5th, right after the Hex birthday. Maybe the Hex birthday has some good news. Wink, wink, fingers crossed. But yeah, man, that's that Hedron. Icosa looking good, over $1, pushed all the way up past $2. So, that's amazing for something that's actually producing yield. You're literally printing money with this stuff, man. And we got another money printer going on. Let me get a little bigger picture. And you can see we had a correction, but say it's holding that up nice. It may be coming back down to test this $1.25. But that's still, can't be mad at that, especially when we were down here at the buck for so long, had that parabolic move. And yeah, let's see. Let's just see right quick. Really quickly. Are we over the, we right there, man. So yeah, but that's good support. If we can push and say either way, shouts out to Alex, man. Appreciate you guys over there at app.icosa and everything y'all doing, man, with the Hedron and the Icosa. And yeah, we look at PLSD when I come back, man. We'll see what's up with it. BlaKCrypto, man. We need some more. I don't stop, I don't stop, man. That's one of my favorite tracks. And it's just the epitome of what it's all about, man. Get to this cheese, man. Moquap.
I love the hills.
I don't stop, minding my money a lot, I ain't got it on none of you thoughts. Word to my pops, I ain't got time for the ops on the shit that can't piss in the pot, no we fist in the pop. Ain't no more wishing, we been on a mission to sit on the top. Kept it consistent like hands on the clock, put your hands on me, I put my hands on the Glock. Groove on the bitch, I ain't dancing on the got the stove on the hip with the pants in the pots. Pop up shot, then circle the block, ran on the shirt, got the work on the block. Couple more hundreds to add to the knot, give me the crypto, don't fuck with the stock, don't fuck with the gold, that shit just a rock. I need some Ethereum, ready to rock. All time high, then broke through the top, put in the bar right before it take off. Don't know what I'm talking, my nigga, you lost, got me scalping a minute to cover the cost. Gotta research it before you jump in it. Sometimes liquidity numbers be off. In at the low, out at the high. Just make sure you don't sell it a loss. Stop.
Say this right here, PLSD, post Doge, looking a lot like that Icosa chart was looking. Having a nice breakout correction to the previous high. That $5. Let me see if I can get a line on that. Let's see, what was that price? Yeah, about 575. 550, 560, give or take. So yeah, coming to have another retest and then back to the upside again, I think. And let's show this long-term uptrend here. Holding strong. Actually, kind of broke that, so we could, yeah. If it did break, we could be coming back to test this O and her at 430. So that's in the cards too. I don't want to 460. If we broke that parabola, yeah, come on down. Maybe this could hold support. So it's not gonna be a straight shot down. It's got support to get its act together. But yeah, that's looking messy. Let's draw it up again. Let's get rid of that. Let's try it again. Try again, Morosoka. Let's see. Let's do the whole shebang. I don't usually do this live, but when I do, I make sure we got the top resistance. And what's the bottom? What they doing? Right now, I see an isosceles triangle building up. So that's positive. It means we're in an uptrend. Most of crypto is. Yeah, I can't get mad at that. We might, let's see where they meet, where they come together. Then give me a horizontal right quick. Right on that. Yeah, that's support. It's making a floor and getting ready to go some more. Where is it going to? Let's see. Let's make a prediction. We did touch there and we did touch there officially. Get out of there. Say $30 post Doge. Let's go. Post Doge to 30. Let's see. I can't tell you when, but they do have the ASIC Bitcoin mining and they doing some stuff. They got a couple of couplers over there fucking with it. Oops. But yeah, man, it might slip. But this BlaKC, man. And yeah, I'm Dallas, Texas on, man. Shouts out to anybody in the D. Shouts out to them Cowboys. How about them Cowboys? And I'm gonna bring it home. I'm gonna bring y'all talk about that Zen in a minute. Come back and holler at me.
Black Cake, Hunter, Lily Conway, only son. They say it ain't no real ones left. I feel like I'm the only one on my college shit like Curry when he was at Davidson. David and Goliath, I killed them with my only stone. Dallas, Texas on, gone from my home for too long. Shout out to my pops, I'm like his copy, I'm a Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, you already know what I be rolling on. Said I couldn't come up with a zone, told him hold my phone. Thought I wasn't coming for the throne when it's left alone. Boy, I got that game like I'm James, but I'm not LeBron. Coming at me trying to get some change, I am not the one. I be running functions for the funds, this is not for fun. Say it ain't no fun when that little bunny rabbit got the gun. I just wanted to have it, got me grabbing all the stocks and buns. Thinking about Matic and Polygon when I'm about to come. Got that black magic from the fact I can't stay out the sun. Can't stay out of Vegas, I just might make that my summer home. Diamonds on me, got them asking where you get them comings from. I come from the slums, so don't come at me asking me for none.
Look.
I come from the slums, so don't come at me asking me for none.
Say Zen ain't looking bad at all, bruh. I tried to tell. So I don't know who was. I probably didn't tell y'all. I'm sorry, but I was looking here, and I was like, "Say, it looks like it's coming out of. It might be finding a floor. It came out. Did the little retest on the doo-wop, and it got the hell out of there. Now this is the field retracement, and this is like a natural resistance. So you can see that was holding the price down, but it did break that resistance, held it for support, and got the hell on. So yeah, we up into these field retracements. I would love to see, and this is you can't look at the wicks. You gotta look at the body of the candle. And this is a bull flag. I mean, say it's free. You can print it out of thin air. But yeah, if it gets out of there, it could. I think it's coming to this 1.0, 6.18 level, and then it's gonna have a retracement. You know, so probably back down here. But I think it's going to take a run, and say I got a lot coming out in a few days, a few weeks. So can't wait. And yeah, man, that's BlaKCrypto, man. I'm going to get out of here. Key to financial freedom. Buy more crypto. Make sure you go to moretokens.com. Get some more tokens, man. Also, make sure you want to go to BNB Pot and find out about that project. Say it's really groundbreaking technology, decentralized gaming, and a lot of green candles coming out. Maybe buy some BNB pot, making a nice floor right here. Demand zone right at the bottom. This is a really good buy right now. When you're on the platform, the token is worth $30, so it's literally an arbitrage opportunity as we speak. So yeah, man, no more free game. Hit your boy up in the inbox if you want to do a one-on-one. And yeah, other than that, we out.